Hey guys, goldfries here at the XPG booth, and this is the Spectrix D80. Now the Spectrix D80 is a RAM with hybrid air and liquid cooling, and it has programmable RGB lighting, and thus it has broken the record with a 5531 MHz speed. Now let's have a look at the RAM itself. So this is the RAM, the Spectrix D80, all 8 sticks here running in this Intel based setup. It has a 10-layer PCB, hermetically sealed, and it's liquid cooled, but basically hybrid cooling, using air and water to cool, and the speeds up to 5000 MHz by default. Now let's have a look at the specs on the TV here. The frequency 3666 to 5000, so the record-breaking speed is just a little bit more than what's available from the 5000 MHz speed. And the rest of it, the timings and whatever else, you have there on screen. I'm not going to read it out to you. So yeah, this is a quick overview of the D80 from XPG. Thanks XPG for the great stuff, and I do look forward to have this in my lab. That's a hint. Alright, bye guys. As for those of you who are viewing this, I hope you are also in awe of this RAM, and do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.